What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today in this video, guys, we're going to talk about the private Discord that is launching today. Guys, why am I doing this? Well, you guys will find out all that and more. I'll explain it to you guys in a full video. I'll give a full presentation, everything that's going on, what you can expect to get, what not to get, and, well, how are you eligible or how can you get in? But first off, guys, I know it doesn't look like I'm at the normal studio right now. I'm at my condo on the beach, kind of chilling. We got boat races going on. It's a lot of fun. But I'm still going to give you guys some content. Don't worry, I'll explain the Discord, get into it. And yes, guys, if you are already a VIP Patreon member, you guys are going to get free access to the Discord. Yes, you guys will still be eligible. So guys, let's go ahead and explain it. So what is the private Discord? Well, first off, guys, I want to give you guys an introduction. Why did I start a YouTube channel? Well, guys, when I got into cryptocurrency, there were several things that I was like, wow, this is so cool. This altcoin is amazing. Hey, this could be the next big thing. But it was like one of those things, well, is it really? I've been dumped on several times, especially when I first got into cryptocurrency, trusting other YouTubers and watching them. I mean, I would name a couple, but then you'd be like, wait, I watch them all the time and I get dumped on. What are you talking about? Well, yeah, that's exactly what I'm talking about. So I'm not going to say names, but you guys know who they are. So there are other YouTubers that pump and dump. I did not want to be that type of YouTuber. I wanted to be able to create a place where you can go that had a trusted name in crypto. I want to have a trustworthy place where you can learn crypto and know how to get started. Guys, I was at the point where I was in cryptocurrency and I was watching so many videos, I still do, and watching so much content, reading so many things, and I got to the point where I was like, man, what do I do? There's so much information out there and I don't know which is good and which is bad, and that's what I'm looking to help and solve. So who am I? Well, first off, guys, I'm a seasoned real estate investor. I entered the crypto markets seeing the corruption in the banking industry and how cryptocurrency will be the future of all finance. Money and finance should not be obtained in rails that only are open Monday to Friday, 8 to 5. I mean, dude, who orders pizza at night before 5 p.m.? No one does that. Everyone orders pizza on Saturday. Well, if your money is stopped, how do you order pizza? No, guys, I'm just messing with you. But the point is you shouldn't have rules for your money. And cryptocurrency is solving that solution. So what makes me so special? Well, first off, guys, I don't pump and dump. You guys have watched several of my videos. I don't pump and dump on crypto projects. I don't pump and dump on people. I like to talk about good projects in the space, and I talk about different ideas and different farms that I am in. Second, I want to have a place for people to go who want to learn about cryptocurrency. So people can come to my channel, they can get content there, they can still see some of my videos there. However, I do want to have a paid Discord and a paid server where private videos that will not be on YouTube that are going to be on Discord. It is where you can get most of the crypto alpha and DeFi gems and other altcoin gems that I'm looking at that I don't want to talk about on the channel. Where do I get my info? Well, first off, guys, I cannot take the glory for this. This is from God. I pray to him and he gives ideas. He guides me. He helps me find what to research and where to look for. That is first off, guys. I want to make that loud and clear. It's not me. Second is I don't have a girlfriend, guys. This is a hobby for me. So crypto is basically my girlfriend. This is something that I use to chill and relax. So outside of a normal business like in real estate, this allows me to cool down and relax. Guys, it's a hobby for me. So a really good quote from David Foreman is, choose a job you love and you'll never have to work a day in your life. This is very true. Make sure you guys always abide by that term, especially when you guys are choosing your job. So why am I charging now? Well, first off, guys, time management. Time management is key. I only have 24 hours a day, 60 minutes in an hour, 60 seconds in a minute. And there's only so much I can do to allocate my time. I want to cater to people who want alpha. I spend a ton of time researching and looking into all these different crypto projects and different farms. And guys, time's not free. Time is the most valuable asset on the planet. in order for me to actually figure out who really appreciates this and who really wants it and who really needs to get the information, that's why I have a paid Discord server. Third, I want to have a serious crypto community. I don't want people asking, hey, how do I LP? Hey, how do I do this? I mean, yes, that's fine and all. There's a time and place for that, but I want to have a separate server where people can have intelligent conversations with people who already know how to do different things. Yes, I will still have the Telegram for people who are new to crypto and trying to learn and get into it, but I want to have a designated Discord server for people who are serious about cryptocurrency and be able to talk like minds and have an intelligent conversation with people. Again, like I mentioned, I only have so much time in a day and I want to bring value to those who truly want it. So how much is the Discord? Well, it's going to be $99 for the VIP Patreon membership. That will give you access to private videos, access to the private Discord. It'll allow you to see what I'm doing in the markets, and I'll explain that later in this video as well. But I'm sure you're asking yourself, why the pants am I charging it? Why isn't it free? Well, have you ever had a toilet clogged or an AC that went out, and you had the maintenance guy come and fix your AC or repair your toilet? Did you just say, okay, thanks, Johnny, see ya? No, you paid him. And why did you pay him? Well, I mean, if you know how to do it, why didn't you just do it? Well, the point is you're paying for the intelligence and the skill and the time he's spent to learn that skill. So first off, you guys are paying for the time that you will save for not having to go through all the headaches, the research that I had to go through to learn what I learned. If you think $99 is a lot, well, then you must not value your time at all. So who should join this Discord? Well, first off, if you want to learn how to understand how the crypto markets work, this is the place for you. If you want to understand how the crypto game is played, how these farms work, what to invest in altcoins, how the trends go, well, this is your place to be. If you want to know what I'm doing in the crypto markets, again, this is your place to be. If you want to have exclusive AMAs with me and the community, this is your place to be. What else should you know about this Discord? Well, first off, guys, everything you hear and see in the Discord is not financial advice, just some crypto buffs sharing thoughts. Second, do not copy everything I do. This Discord is to help you learn how to fish and not be given fish. This Discord will help you form your own decisions. And, well, what I've learned is the best plays that are made is based on what you think for yourself. Just because I do something doesn't mean you should do it too. You are pressing the buttons, so you're responsible for if you make bank or you get wrecked. If you're trying to get rich quick, well, you're going to find yourself trying to do that every single day. Take it one day at a time, and eventually you will build wealth. Fifth, do not expect to have private one-to-one calls and messages from me. I will make daily posts and will be active in the chat, more so than I am in Telegram, but don't expect me to hit you up one-on-one and give you any and everything and feed you any and everything. You need to learn how to fish. I will be active in the community, but you guys must have the expectation that I'm not going to hold your hand through everything. Now what? Well, guys, I will still be making YouTube videos. What is the difference between this Discord and YouTube? Well, the difference between Discord and YouTube is, well, on the Discord, you're going to have private videos and you're going to have AMA chats with me, and you guys will be able to see what I'm doing in the markets and seeing what farms I am actually in. The YouTube comments and Telegram messages, will I still be answering those? Yes, I will still be answering those. I will try to get to them as soon as I can. I am flooded with messages every day, and at this point, I need to have a paid service, because if I just offer it free, I won't have time to do anything, and I won't be able to make any more content. So I want to be able to answer the comments and messages for those who are actually giving me support. Yes, I will be more active in Discord. Guys, I want to close out and leave you with this verse. Exodus 18:13-24. We're not in Proverbs, but the TLDR on this is Moses had to judge several people and had no time to make every decision. One of the quotes in the verse are, there should be rulers over 1,000 people, 100 people, 50 people, and even over 10 people. Let that sink in. So if you guys feel that's the right fit for you, You can join the Discord below by clicking on the Patreon link and signing up for the VIP access. Once you do that, you'll be able to get a link to Discord and you'll be able to join in the community. Be aware, guys, if you guys are a crypto project or a crypto developer and you're just trying to shill your project, you probably will be banned, most likely. Yeah, you'll be banned if you just come in there and shill your project and say, hey, join my project. Hey, do this, this, and this. Hey, send me 1,000 Bitcoin. No, you're going to get banned. Don't do that. But anyways, guys, if you feel this is the right decision, y'all know what to do. The link's in the description below. Cheers.